Hey guys, Oliver here. So I have the Ford 8N 1950 tractor here, and I'm doing like a brake axle seal job thing on it. Here's what I got so far. I have the brake assembly off. I have that. I don't know what it's called. I have the hub, and I have the axle, and that, which is just like the lever. So I'm gonna get a kit, probably off of yesterday's tractor. You probably know what that is. Of probably bearings. I think that's the inner seal. I'm not an expert on this, but I believe that's the inner seal. And on the other side of this thing is the outer seal, right there. I'm gonna get that for both sides. There might be other stuff in the kit, like gaskets and stuff for this. I don't know. I believe it's like $140, so not too bad. I'd rather spend some money and have brakes than not have brakes and damage something by crashing into something. So that's basically the plan. I will see you guys when I get the kit. Also, one other thing I want to show you is these lights I got for the front. These are Lightfox brand. There's like a lot of similar ones for sale of different brands and stuff. But I will show you it with all of the lights on. It's pretty cool. They're really bright in the night. And I just have them wired in with the alternator and stuff. It's a really complicated system. And then for my dash, I have my headlights. Those are LED, normal. That's the alternator. And I have a horn. And that's just about it. So I will get that kit ordered, and I'll see you in the next video when I'm assembling it.